Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Box SSO with Okta, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Box single sign-on with Okta, start by logging in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Box and select the Box application from the results. Click on the Add button to initiate the setup. On the next screen, configure General Settings for Box. Under General Settings, enter a name for your Box application. You may also choose to customize the logo if desired. Next, scroll down to the Sign On section. Select the SAML 2.0 option to enable SSO. In the SAML settings, you'll need to configure the following fields. For the single sign-on URL, enter the Box SSO URL, typically formatted as your Box domain. In the Audience URI, specify the Box application service provider entity ID. Fill in the default relay state if applicable, otherwise, leave it blank. Next, configure the name ID format, usually set to email or unspecified. Then, add a new attribute statement for user attributes. For name, enter email and for value, use the Okta variable corresponding to user email, often formatted as user.email. Continue to add additional mappings if your organization requires them. After all settings are complete, click the Next button. In the Feedback section, review your settings and choose the appropriate feedback option. Finally, click on the Finish button to save your application setup. At this point, you'll be directed back to the application settings page. Take note of the sign-on URL and identity provider metadata, as you'll need these for Box configuration. Now, switch to your Box admin console by logging in. Navigate to the admin settings and locate the Security section. Under Security, find the Single Sign-On panel and click to Configure. Input the sign-on URL from Okta into the appropriate field. Next, paste the Okta Identity Provider metadata URL. In the SAML Entity ID field, enter the audience URI you specified in Okta. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.